When we talk about biodiversity, most of us think of ecosystems, species, and genes. But biodiversity is also about people, our culture, our values, and our stories. This course invites you to explore biodiversity through a humanistic lens. Welcome to the course Human Dimensions of Biodiversity. This course is offered by the Master Program in Biodiversity at National Taiwan University. In this course, you will explore questions like how have different cultures viewed nature across history? What ethical principles guide conservation decisions? How do stories, art, and media shape our understanding of biodiversity? How does globalization influence both cultural and biological diversity? Also, during the semester, you can expect weekly reflection connecting personal experiences with course topics, discussions on environmental ethics and cultural perspectives, case studies from Taiwan and worldwide, a creative project expressing biodiversity through art or narrative, and at the end, a final presentation applying humanistic thinking to a real conservation issue.
Let's talk about why the course is so important. The core issues in human dimension of biodiversity. We are talking about landscape ecology, nature and biodiversity, and also human benefits, especially our health issues. So we will include a lot of topics, including like diverse ethic and also ecologic pattern of social and cognitive perception. And those will based on like how we understand the environment sustainability and also our health, not only for human health but also for the biodiversity health. So in this course objective, I would like to cultivate our student ability through fully understand and to address some human dimension issues in biodiversity, especially in their conservation from multidisciplinary perception. So the course will prepare students to be responsible citizens with critical thinking and then try to use all of their skill learned in these courses and to make real actions. So what do you think about the course? This is the last slide. I would like to share that human are also nature. We need to think about that we also is a part of the nature here, and we are nature. So let us rethinking the way we exist in the world. So I hope I could meet all of you on my courses. Thank you.
I learned the importance of human interventions with the wildlife, that biodiversity conservation is not just about ecological concept, but also deeply connected with human ethics and socioeconomic system. Conservation should not be only focused on nature, but should also be balance the human needs and, of course, the environmental sustainability.
How we use data from published journals or research articles as examples in class.
The integrations of the theoretical knowledge with the real-world environmental observation. So in the class, we were able to observe and collect data and then analyze it to come up with the intervention. So these activities further enhance my critical thinking skills as well as strengthen my awareness to biodiversity conservation.
I'm interested in the field of research. So in research, data analysis and interpretation is important. So whichever field in biodiversity, may it be in natural or social sciences, that I will be working in the future. So I think this course will really help and empower me.
So So as I finish this program, I plan to go back into teaching and continuously empower the coastal communities. I can transfer this knowledge with my student and communities about the importance of biodiversity conservations and what are the ways to achieve this and what are the simple way to collect the data to turn into interventions.
Science helps us understand how ecosystems function, but to protect biodiversity, we must also understand how humans think, feel, and act toward nature.